The marketing world is continuously changing and it is changing faster than ever before. So earlier, customers used to go to a shop, they select the goods and make payment. But that has almost ended now. Now they get information about the products through electronic devices such as internet, and then they evaluate the alternative products. They select a particular preferred brand with the help of the information that they have collected through internet. They order for the chosen brand online. They make payment through electronic devices, and we can see that every aspect of marketing is now done through electronic means, and this is e-marketing. So e-marketing simply means marketing through electronic devices such as computer, internet, TV, and digital medium such as email, web, and wireless media, and so on. And Shopee has defined e-marketing as e-marketing is achieving marketing objectives through use of electronic communication technology. So here we use electronic communication technology to achieve our marketing objectives. Again, in e-marketing, there is a process of communication, promotion, and selling of goods and services through electronic devices or digital technologies. The process of building and maintaining customer relationships also takes place through electronic media. So we can see how every aspect of marketing is done through electronic means, and that is e-marketing. Next, we'll see the nature of e-marketing. First, it is the process of identifying, anticipating, forecasting, and satisfying the customer needs. Customer needs have to be identified, it should be anticipated, and you have to satisfy appropriately the customer needs. And everything is done through electronic means such as internet, email, digital technology, television, etc. So you are going to identify and satisfy and anticipate customer needs through electronic means. That is being mainly through internet, email, and such other digital technology. Second, it includes internet marketing, search engine marketing, email marketing, viral marketing, digital marketing, teleshopping, etc. We learn all these in detail in the next topic, scope of e-marketing. So e-marketing involves all these, from internet marketing to search engine marketing, further to email marketing, and when you move on, we learn viral marketing, digital marketing, teleshopping. All these are part of e-marketing. Third, it is a process of keeping close to customers, forming relationship with them, and keeping them happy through electronic means. So we, as we told earlier, we have to build and maintain customer relationship through electronic means or by using electronic media. Fourth, in reality, e-marketing integrates online and offline activities as required by the market. So here there is an integration, that is, it is a combination of both online and offline activities. That is all these processes which makes the marketing activities simpler and more uh, focused on customer satisfaction. It is extension of direct marketing. So here it is something more similar to direct marketing, or it's further an extension of direct marketing. It is highly interactive in nature because we can ask people to rate the products in the internet, so we are actually understanding what do they think about a product, and in that way it is more interactive in nature. Individualized messages are sent to each customer. There is personalization taking place, or personalization is possible here, right? Because you can understand the taste and preferences of people through various methods. Like that is why there are cookies and such facilities. And the eighth point is transaction costs are less. That is when we compare with the traditional marketing methods, e-marketing is less costlier. Maybe because we require less manpower, and with the advent of new technologies, the marketing process and marketing activities have become more simpler, which has also reduced the cost related with every transaction. So these are some of the nature or characteristics of e-marketing. Scope of e-marketing. The first one is internet marketing. Internet marketing is one of the most important form of e-marketing, or one of the most important aspect of e-marketing. And people think that internet marketing is exactly the same as e-marketing. That shows the prominence of internet marketing. Internet marketing means achieving marketing objectives through applying internet technologies, right? You're going to achieve your marketing objectives with the help of internet technologies. And internet marketing is also called as online marketing, cyber marketing, virtual marketing, etc. Digital marketing. Digital marketing is one of the other important aspects of e-marketing. Digital marketing refers to achieving marketing objectives through applying digital technologies like website, email, or it could be through other digital media like wireless or mobile, or using media for delivering digital television like cable, satellite. So we use all these digital technologies to achieve our marketing objectives. Next comes search engine marketing. So you know the search engine like Google, Yahoo, etc. And in search engine marketing, or SEM, they continuously identify what words or keywords customers need to use when searching for products and services. And one such common word is free, right? When we search for many things, we type the word free along with that, right? Free classes, free videos, or free products. So, free is one such commonly used word when we search for things. So, those commonly used words are the so-called keywords, and the marketers should identify such words and they should attach such words so that people type, when the people search for such keywords, your website comes in the top list, right? Equally, SEM must anticipate what new keywords will be used on different days, weeks, months, seasons, or occasions. For example, in case of a particular season, you can say that during the Olympic season, people tend to search more on Olympics. So at that time, you can say that the keyword could be Olympics. So identifying the keywords, because focusing on keywords is more important. People search based on these keywords. So getting the precise keywords right satisfies the customers, because it makes their searching more easier and quicker, right? They just want to type a particular keyword and they get immediate results. So search engine marketing involves buying based on keywords. All right, you use the search engine to search a particular keyword, right, rather than making a detailed description. We search based on keywords. The next is email marketing. Email marketing means sending emails to customers and prospects by an organization with a view to promote its products and services. So we do receive a lot of advertisements in our emails, right? So email marketing is something like wherein emails are sent to customers for the promotion of goods and services. And this is also a direct marketing which utilizes electronic means to deliver commercial messages to an audience. The next is viral marketing. So viral marketing is actually the word of mouth marketing through electronic channels like email, internet, etc. So it is the internet version of word of mouth marketing, right? So here what happens, information is passed from one person to another just like a virus. It gets passed from person to person with such a quick speed. So it can be effective in reaching large number of people rapidly, like something like a natural virus or a computer virus, right? You know how effective is word of mouth communication. And Smith and Schaff says viral marketing is a clever idea, a game, a shaking idea, or something like a highly informative idea which makes compulsive viewing. That means it brings the attention of the people towards that particular marketing message. It can be a video clip, it can be a TV ad, a cartoon, a funny picture, a poem, a song, some political message, or some news item, which brings the attraction of people. Since it is amazing, it makes people want to pass it on. So people tend to, uh, you know, convey it to the others whom they know. So it's something like a word of mouth communication done through the internet. It is a digitally augmented word of mouth, a digitally supported word of mouth. Next is teleshopping. So, the visual aspect of TV allows for demonstration, one, and product representation. So, it allows for demonstration and product representation. So, you can see how the product works, how it can be used, what are its features. A demonstration helps you to get much detail, right? Rather than a mere catalog. Or catalogs could be impressive, but when you see a video in a TV, when you see demonstrations which are hosted in televisions, it is more easier for the viewers to understand about the product. Consumers get details about the product from seeing the show, and they can purchase products by placing order through media like telephone. Next is e-branding. E-branding is about using the online means or electronic media to improve the brand name. It is not about creating some logo online and using the rich media to create a brand or a particular logo or some banners. It is about understanding the user experience, the consumer's experience, and how this experience is influenced by online presence. That is how by using electronic means or media, you're able to create a better experience for the customers. And therefore, building e-brands is important when we need to introduce new products. E-advertising. E-advertising is convergence or integration, or you can say combination of traditional advertising and direct response marketing. E-advertising allows advertisers to precisely target the audience and provide them advertisements which are more customized or personalized and as per their interest and taste. So that is simply using electronic means for your advertisements. E-advertising can be defined as convergence of branding, information dissemination, and sales transactions all in one place. So it is more of everything is taking place electronically, whether it is about branding, whether it is about dissemination of information, or whether about all the related transactions regarding sales, everything takes place electronically. And that is e-advertising, or in general, you can say advertising through electronic media. So these are the scope of e-marketing.